9488 Wellington Road 124. It's finally here. This is where price, condition, and location all come together for the perfect package. We're located just outside of Erin, or Erin if you're a local, and we're sitting on a 66 by 217-foot lot with a detached garage, no neighbors behind, and a house that is fully upgraded, and I can't wait to show it to you. Now, everyone knows the key to the perfect property is location. We are located just outside the village of Erin, and of course it offers everything right at your fingertips. This downtown core is absolutely beautiful. It looks like it was cut right out of a Hallmark movie. You'll see beautiful historic buildings, bakeries, gift shops, hides and hands for all your leather needs, ice cream shops, restaurants, and of course the essentials: groceries, pizza stores, Subways, Tim Hortons, and so much more. But it's more than that. The school system's one of the best in all of Wellington County, with Erin Public School, St. John Brebeuf Catholic School, and of course Erin District High School. It truly is beautiful. Access to the Elora Cataract Trail, minutes to Forks of the Credit Provincial Park and Caledon Ski Club. And if you're a commuter, you're gonna have a fantastic country drive. Head down Trafalgar Road, you're only 25 minutes to the 401. You're 15 minutes to Highway 10. You're 20 minutes to Georgetown, 20 minutes to Orangeville. You're right in the middle for anything that you need. Now, I want you to take your focus off the area and come right down to this beautiful property. 66 by 217 feet. We have no neighbors behind us for ultimate privacy, with mature trees on either side. A long driveway fitting 10 plus cars. I love the layout of this driveway specifically, with the 2-car parking pad at the front opening up to tons of space. But the two features on this lot that I love the most: one, you guessed it, this beautiful double-car detached shop. Fully insulated, 100 amp service. If you want a man cave and you want to tinker around with your shops and all your tools, this is the perfect spot. The second thing is all this outdoor space, starting with the back deck, covered gazebo, hot tub area, fire pit, and tons of room for the kids to play. You're gonna love it. I know. The lot and location is fantastic, but it's this house that's really gonna tip the scales and wanna make you buy this beauty. As soon as you set eyes on the exterior, you're gonna know all the work has been done. We have beautiful vertical navy blue siding, new soffits, windows, roof, and of course a beautiful stone skirt surrounds the whole house. Now from the outside, it looks a little small, but when you jump inside, you're gonna be shocked of how spacious this place really is. With 1,184 finished square feet, tons of natural light, 3 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and the perfect layout. Eat-in kitchen, living room, dining room combination, and access out to that beautiful backyard. Other than the oversized windows and tons of natural light, my favorite feature on the main floor is this natural gas fireplace. It kicks out so much heat and really does give you that country feel. With a full dining room, perfect for all those holiday meals, main floor laundry, and a main floor bedroom. You'll love this main floor. But what I really want you to do is turn your eyes to all the upgrades. New washrooms, 2 of them, new flooring, brand new kitchen, quartz countertops, new appliances. I want you to realize that all the work has been done for you guys, and this place really is turnkey and move-in ready. When you head upstairs, you'll notice we have 2 additional bedrooms, washroom, and those views out those top windows are absolutely spectacular. When this all comes together and you think about the house and this location, it's pretty clear how much value we have at 9488 Wellington Road 124. One thing I can't show on video is the community and the feeling you get living here. The support from all the community members is something that you're absolutely gonna love. Erin's a place that celebrates its historic past. That's pretty clear from walking down the main street. But it's also focused on innovation and growth, which means everybody can come here and have their own little slice of heaven. You won't know how good it is until you live here. Something as simple as the Erin Fall Fair will totally change your world. At 9488 Wellington 124, this will change your world.